In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign leads in Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to manually assign a single lead, as well as how to assign multiple leads at once using the list view. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along while working in your own Zoho CRM account. Let's start with assigning a single lead. This is useful when you just need to hand off one specific lead to a different team member, maybe because they're better suited to handle that prospect, or they're the right rep for that territory. First, open Zoho CRM and head over to your Leads module. From your list of leads, click on the lead you want to reassign so that you're viewing its full record. Once you're inside that lead record, look for the field labeled Owner. This field tells you which user in your organization currently owns that lead. To change who it's assigned to, click on the Owner field. Zoho will let you choose a different user from the list of available team members. Select the new owner you want to assign this lead to, then confirm your change. As soon as you save, the Owner field will update and that lead is now officially assigned to the new person. This can help with accountability, tracking performance, and making sure every lead has a clear point of contact. Now let's move on to assigning multiple leads at once. This is especially helpful if you've just imported a batch of leads or you want to rebalance workloads across your sales team. Start again in the Leads module, but this time stay in the list view where you can see many leads at once. Use the checkboxes next to each lead to select the ones you want to assign. You can choose a handful of leads or an entire page, depending on what you need. Take a moment to double-check your selections so you don't accidentally reassign the wrong records. Once your leads are selected, look for the option labeled More Actions above the list. Go ahead and click that. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose Change Owner. Zoho will then prompt you to pick the new owner. Select the user who should take over these leads and confirm the change. Zoho will update all the selected records in one go, saving you from having to open each lead individually. This bulk assignment approach is a big time saver and helps keep your lead distribution organized and consistent.